All right, so it is now, let's see here, 8:33. I've been in Lake Ackworth now for, well, a little bit since about 8:30, 8:45-ish. No bites. I'm spinnerbait, top water. I've tried a couple different things. Worm, wacky worm. I haven't found the right color, I think. I think I'm going to switch over to an actual wacky worm. I'll wait it, see if I can't catch anything with that. Because as of right now, nothing. I mean, geese are freaking going nuts. But I'm in literally no water. I'm in the shallow part of the lake here. It's not too shallow. I can get back here a little further. I think I might be able to get. It says it's 41 feet deep. I doubt it. Here we go. I think it's just very, very mucky water right now. I mean, perfect conditions. If you're looking at it, actually you can't see it. Throw some top water. Hold on.